I loved Australia. I thought Australia was great. I actually said I'm going to move back there when I'm older. But I really enjoyed working with the coaches as well. The coaching staff was fantastic.
I did so much in my internship. I worked with 4 master's students and was trusted to do the same things as them.
They also helped me actually physically coach people, which was really nice because I was able to get that hands-on experience.
So I worked at a student-run clinic, had my own patients, and got to program exercises for them and for groups with different disease and disability.
I got to hold a koala, which is something I never thought I'd be able to do. I actually have a picture with it. It's the cutest thing ever. But I got to do things I never thought I would ever experience in my entire life.
Orientation was so much fun. We all went to Cairns regardless of where your program was actually going to be for your placement. And it was like a whole week vacation with all of your kinesiology peers.
Everyone I met, people were very friendly. Very friendly. I'd look lost, they'd be like, hey, do you need help getting somewhere? I have never met people more willing to help me.
So I loved my coworkers. They took me out on a hike and out for food, got really close with them, the faculty and the students alike.
I cannot stress how beautiful Australia is. It's also very clean.
We went on this Margaret River tour. We saw the Mammoth Caves. We stopped at so many places along the way.
Go places, travel, go to Perth, Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Tasmania is just down there. New Zealand, go places where you can.
And we did so much that it almost felt like we packed in an entire Perth vacation into one day.
My advice for future students thinking about participating in the Australia Study Abroad program, do it. Amazing.
And I would definitely recommend doing a day trip, getting out of the city, and making the most of your time there.